Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. So if you remember a week back I posted my opinions on the Tagzu Waner 2. So that was kind of an initial impression video, and now like I have spent enough time with them. So I just want to give you more clarity on its sound, that new design, the ear tips and also the cable. And also I would like to compare this to the original Tangzu Waner and let you know which one is better. So if you look at these three boxes, first of all, so the box on the green was the original Tangzu Waner. Then this box on the right side in blue color is the collab IM between the Headphone Zone and Tagzu Waner. It comes in this bright blue color which definitely looks very attractive, and the box on the left side in purple color is the Tagzu Waner 2. Now if I look at the box contents and everything, so they have nearly the same kind of box contents, but it's just that the original versions have this soft piece of cloth on the top which added a little bit more value to the unboxing experience, while in the Waner 2 they took away that cloth and they are providing you with this printed piece of, you can say, paper. Now initially when I unboxed it, I didn't knew like why would they provide this, and it was completely useless. But when I went deeper into their website, they are mentioning that you can paste this piece on some kind of a phone stand. I don't know if they are selling the phone stand separately, or maybe they expect people to have a phone stand for these IMs. So starting off with the design and build quality, so first of all, both these IMs have the same build materials. They are using the same kind of structure everywhere, and but the only difference is that in the original version it had some corners, especially this particular part and this part here. And there were a small group of people who complained that when they are wearing these IMs, this particular part used to pinch on this side of the ear. So I mean, I never faced any sort of that issue, but in case you have that kind of issue, so the new design is more ergonomic. You don't find any sort of corners, and the fitting is quite good. But the slightly bad part about the fitting is that the new version is slightly more thicker, so you will notice that if I'm wearing them, so it is slightly protruding out of the ear, while in the original version it used to give a very good flush finish. So I just prefer the old version as compared to the new one. Also you will notice that when it came to nozzle, so the original version had a slightly bigger nozzle, while on the new version they reduced the size of the nozzle for some reason, and also because the cavity, I mean this thickness is little bit more than average. So if you're someone who likes to push the IMs deeper into the ear canal, that is not possible in this case. Also when it came to the diameter of the nozzle, so it's slightly more, I mean marginally more as compared to the original version. Now coming out to the ear tips, when I initially tried the Waner 2, I tried them with these black ear tips that came in the box, and because those are like dome shaped ear tips and also the IMs are thicker, so whenever I'm putting those ear tips into these IMs and I'm wearing them, they don't go more deep and I was not getting much more secure fitting. So after like a couple of days I tried out these yellow colored ear tips that came with these IMs. These are slightly narrow and you will get like, they will go like slightly deep into the ear canal. So I'm kind of liking this one as compared to those black colored dome shaped ear tips that came in the box. Also when it comes to the ear tips, in the original version they used to have some third-party ear tips, and in this one they are giving you some kind of a branded ear tips. And you will notice that these ear tips are slightly more soft, and also it has some kind of texture on this particular, like the outer layer, so it grips onto the ear very nicely. Overall there is marginal difference between the fitting when it came to the original version and new version, but I prefer the fitting on the original version. Also the only thing that if I wanted in the Waner 2 was that if you look at the tooth ear gate, so the Waner 2 and tooth ear gate almost look the same, but the thing here is that these are thin, they don't have much thickness. So when I'm wearing the tooth ear gate, it gives me much more comfort of wearing them, and also the finish, I mean the overall feel is very nice. So now talking about the technical specifications, Tangzu had played really safe with the Waner 2. They haven't made a lot of changes when it comes to the hardware level, and they are clearly saying that the new version sounds as good as the original version with some minor differences. So in the original version they were giving you a PT diaphragm, so in the new version they changed, you can say they modified the PT diaphragm a little bit, and they have added more clarity in the high frequencies, and they are giving you some better mid. So that's the only difference they have done. Now when it came to the practical experience of listening to these IMs, so the original version actually had better bass, it had better kick, the way it handled bass when you are watching movies or songs, that small reverb effects, the rumbling sounds, and even at low volume you tend to feel that bass. I mean that was the kind of signature sound for which the Tagzu Waner was known for. It was the kind of sound that actually you can say brought a lot of shame to the expensive IMs, that the way they were handling those all low frequencies. So now the new version is kind of little flat. That kick and that character that was there in the original version is not there in the new version. I would not say that difference is huge, but that minor difference actually makes a lot of difference to me. And now if you talk about the mid frequencies and high frequencies, so yeah, the new version is you can say slightly better. And the mid frequencies and high frequencies are more smooth, more detailed, and they feel much tied up together. But definitely I don't want to compromise for the bass part while going for the better mids and better highs. So that's like kind of what I'm feeling about the new version. Also, when it comes to the cable, so the cable in the original version like was slightly creamish, and the overall appearance of the IMs were slightly creamish. But when it comes to the new version, so the cable is more white, it's more bright, and overall when I talk about the quality, so the new version actually has this twisted cable kind of thing. So it's actually two cables twisted into one. But when you talk about the original version, so I think there are three cables that is twisted into one. So that is a kind of a difference. So that was my take on the Tangzu Waner 2, and I think you should go with the original version, even though the Tagzu Waner 2 is there. And those of you who are looking forward to upgrade, there's no need to upgrade, you can stick with the original version. Here is a sample sound comparison between both these IMs that will give you a more clarity, and that's all about it. Make sure to subscribe.